neither investigators or store owners are telling me how many guns or the type of guns that were stolen. The deputies with the Alachua County Sheriff's Office, as well as Gainesville Police and ATF agents, were on scene for several hours this morning collecting evidence. Investigators say the alarm went off just before 3:30 this morning. The deputies tell us 2 people broke in through a window, and while they won't tell us how many guns were stolen, detectives say they located some of the weapons along the track where the suspects fled. I spoke to the marketing director for Big Daddy Guns, and he says the store has a high level of security and alarm systems. This isn't the first time that we reported on a burglary at the store. Back in 2018, 3 adults and a juvenile were arrested for stealing more than a dozen guns.